Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how to check and remove the hidden subscriptions on your Google Play Store, in this video we are going to guide you through the process, so let's just get started. Start by opening up the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. And once you open it up, the thing you need to understand is that Google Play Store does not have hidden subscriptions. All of the subscriptions are linked to your Google account and managed in a single, easy to find list so you can access it and cancel them directly from the Play Store. So, for that, once you access your Play Store application, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and tap on it to open up the space right here. And from here, you can scroll and find the option for payments and subscriptions and tap on it. Once you tap on payments and subscriptions here, you should be finding different options available. Now you can select the option of subscriptions and tap on it. And from here, you can go over and browse the list of subscriptions to find the one that you want to cancel. So go ahead and find it up and go ahead and tap on it. You can look out for the cancel option there. And once you find the particular application with whom you want to manage your subscription, you should be finding a cancel subscription like this available. The option available on your screen, you can just go over and tap on it and confirm it up. And once you do, you need to go ahead and confirm that up. You can look out for this cancel subscription and confirm it up. And then give a reason why you would like to make your cancel. You can follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it up, continue the process and confirm it up. And once you confirm it up, that will remove hidden subscriptions or any other subscriptions available in the Google Play Store directly. You can follow up this process for all of the subscriptions available in your Play Store application. And that is it. So therefore, everyone, if you want to remove your subscription, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.